Welcome into this fantastic custom home in McKinney, Texas, right here in Craig Ranch.
Oh man, this is a special treat today. I am so excited about this house. But one thing we do have to tell you is that you're gonna see blue tape all over because they are going through and touching up walls and doing all that fun stuff that you do. So if you notice blue tape, that's because they're fixing things.
Yep. Now, take a look at this entry.
All right, let's do it.
Look at that entry door. I love the big light, well, it does have a big light, but also the big window, picture window that's coming in. So as you're looking at that front door, or as you come on in, to your right is just a little powder bath and a utility room, which isn't much to show. But look at this giant office.
Look at this. It's
to the
got
left of the house.
two of these big old doors with the glass inserts.
Those are big, oversized doors,
They're
but
beautiful.
look at the size
thing
of this
Massive.
workspace.
This is a massive office. And the really neat thing is, throughout this house, you'll see these windows right here, and they open, like you just turn it and open it, and it's so nice. You can let that fresh air come on in, which I love.
It has a pretty good sized closet right here as well.
It does. They've got some stuff in it, but
it goes
I'll show
underneath
it.
the stairs.
it does. It's gonna open the light for us. Goes all the way back. So you got lots of space for whatever you want to put in there.
Yep. Like all your printers or whatever it is.
Yeah, all that ugly stuff.
Yeah, so
Yes.
it's not just
Absolutely.
screaming at you as you walk through this fantastic home.
The other thing we didn't point out when you walk into is you've got this mud area, so you can put your backpacks, your kids' backpacks, or
Which I
whatever
thought
you
was,
need to do.
it was sort of strange.
It's not next to the garage.
Yeah, it's not next to the garage, so it's just kind of, I wouldn't want all my stuff just hanging there right in the open.
It is in an odd
Look
space.
at this.
Look at this house. Oh my Lord, it's so nice.
I mean, we may need to get the drone
Yeah, we might.
and just kind of show you, oh my gosh, this space, it's almost like a hotel lobby.
It is. But yet it still feels homey, which
It
is
does.
shocking.
It's weird.
Yeah. And then to the right here
Is the
is
primary.
the primary. And I'm excited about this primary because it's got a really nice closet right as you come into the left. I'm going to show it. So it's got all these drawers and cubbies and plenty of space for everything. Fantastic.
And then look at this space. Now, I will say one thing about this house is every room is giant. It's
It
oversized.
really is. Yes.
Primary, no exception.
Yeah, you could put a couch or a seating area or whatever right over there. And the other thing,
That's a king size bed.
Yeah.
And look at all that space, just to give you an idea.
plenty of
it's
space on
huge.
either side. The other thing to point out are these floors. These things are gorgeous and they are solid.
Yeah, that's a big thing with Patrice and I, if you haven't caught on to that.
Yeah, we have walked into so many houses and they feel like,
They just feel cheap.
yeah, it's not good.
Now, just to give you some specs as we look at this fantastic ensuite, this house is 4 bedrooms, 5 total baths, 4 full, 1 half, obviously a 2-story, and it's 4,255 square feet.
Feels-
Look at that
Look
shower.
at the shower. So there's the doors.
My gosh.
Here's the doors and then
It's like a barn door.
so you step in right there and then you just kind of walk in. You got your bathtub here. I guess somebody could take a bath while somebody's taking a shower.
You know, it's dilemmas. How many times have you been in the shower thinking, you know, I wish I was in the bath?
Yeah, well,
Or if you're in the bath going, I really wish I was in the shower. Well, guess what? You have the best of both worlds here.
They put a little niche over there for your shampoo and stuff, which is nice because you can't see it from out there. But
Look at
this
these-
is
look
my
at these.
favorite. Yes.
You could press this button and it defrosts.
Defrost. Well, yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's called defrost when you're.
Oh, there you go.
But it takes away the steam and stuff when you're after you've showered. But it's a great makeup mirror.
It's awesome.
It's got good light.
Oh, that's what that
and
does.
then you could have different colors too, like the different shades of. Nice. All right, I guess we've played enough, but this
Sorry,
is
I
fun.
can get caught
They
up.
have done some amazing things in this house, and you're in a really neat spot in McKinney.
Yeah, Craig Ranch, for those
Yeah.
that aren't familiar, this is a country club private golf course community where the TPC, it's TPC course, Byron Nelson, the PGA tournament is held here. And one of the best things about this whole location is you pump right into Frisco ISD.
You do, yes.
So, I mean,
Now look at this
the best of both
room.
worlds.
I mean, look at the
built-ins.
tons of windows. The built-ins are beautiful. That fireplace is so nice. I mean, this room, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 windows and then this big, huge slider. I mean,
all black
I love it.
sliders.
yes, this is very nice. We'll take you to the patio after, but I gotta show this kitchen.
Yes.
This is a great kitchen. It's a perfect size, 4-bed island. Underneath has plenty of storage underneath the whole island.
I would definitely make some of these top cabinets, those glass features, especially the ones over the window.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how you're going to get to that.
I don't mind them like that though either. So
No?
I think
I mean, you
I
can
think
go
that's
either
a
way.
personal preference for sure. But I like it. I could see it both ways, definitely.
But you know what? One of my favorite parts of this kitchen?
What?
And it's just a simple design, but it's this little butler's pantry right here where I can see your coffee station and all that good
Yeah.
stuff, and it's hidden. So unless you come into the kitchen and you're in it,
Yeah.
you're not really gonna see kind of those appliances
Yeah.
or whatnot. So I do like that. I also love this quartz and how thick it is.
It is very thick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's the veining in it is gorgeous. It's all gray. It's got a little bit of gold in there, which is just very elegant looking. And they've got this nice little sitting area for breakfast and sitting down having a coffee. We did see the dining over there, but we didn't really point it out, so we should probably point that out
I was
again
gonna
as
say,
I walk
I
through.
don't know that they have dining.
They
Where is the
do.
dining?
You just missed it. They've got this beautiful sink with this nice apron on the front, this stainless steel, which is gorgeous. They've got these wonderful black windows right here that looks out into some trees. They've got this cabinet right here, which is pretty cool because
yeah,
it's one of
those
those
corner
lazy
Lazy
Susan cabinets. So you can get to that stuff that goes into the back there. Love that.
So Patrice, what is the purpose of a sink like this in the island right across from your main sink? Like what would be the purpose for that? I guess if you're
That's a good question. Preparing
vegetables or something,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I would like to know that too. See, you've got here. I'm going to move you over
Our,
behind
our
me.
viewers will not let us down.
They
They'll
will
tell
not.
us.
They will not. That's trash.
This is cool.
Yeah, that's a good. Not a, that's
Everything's
a
soft
fairly
close.
small when you got a family the size of ours, but
Yeah.
I would like to know. Here's come behind me so I can show them the two. Here, I'm going to show you guys the two sinks. So you've got this one here and that one there. So let us know what you guys use those for if you have them, because you know we need to know these things so we can
Yeah, no, I
point
would.
out the.
I have confidence that our viewers will let us
I
know.
agree.
What I love about this, not only is it 6-burner cooktop, you've got the griddle right here. And then, again, pot filler, really cool. And it's on the interior
on the
wall.
interior.
So you don't have to worry about the pipes freezing
Agreed.
like we do here in North Texas once a decade.
Once a decade. Yeah, we had a very mild winter this year, so we didn't have to worry about that. But there's the top cabinets and the hood and everything, so that's very nice also.
How about checking out this pantry / snack closet?
Yes, we need to do that.
Good size.
Nice. And then I like the way they finish off those shelves because it just looks
They even put baseboards
much
in
nicer. Yeah, baseboards. It looks just really nice in
here.
there.
Yeah.
And
Look
so
at that fireplace. I love
yeah.
the size of it.
Agreed. Now, here's that dining area we failed to point out when we came in, but look at that. It is gorgeous. Should we go check out that upstairs or do you want to do the patio
We
first?
can. What is this?
Those are cabinets over there.
Wow.
Yeah. You could put all kinds of, you could put your blankets in there, your throw blankets, because we have 1,000 of them that we use.
Yeah. Now I could picture those framed TVs right there.
I agree. All right, so we're gonna go check out this patio.
This is nice. It's got the sliders. Love the screen.
Oh yeah, they do have screens. That's super nice. Oh yeah, I love that. You don't see screens very often like this on doors in Texas.
No, I like it.
I love that. Oh yeah.
Perfect, huh?
Yeah, we gotta.
And check this out. So not only do you have your outdoor kitchen and all that good stuff, you've got another gas line right here so you can put a fireplace.
It's got a.
But look at it, it's already plumbed for electrical outlets for that screen to come down. Because again, who wants to, I'm sure they're nice people.
Yeah, you don't have a huge yard here, but just enough to let your dog come out and hang out.
It's really about that country club lifestyle, that no maintenance. I would probably put a putting green to kind of work on my private, my short game there without any commentary from the members.
I'll make some comments. All right, so that's the patio. Now let's go check out the upstairs. All right, so one thing I want to point out is, so they've got the nice black treads on the stairs, and then they bring in the wood again from the downstairs. It's just pretty. It really is a pretty feature. All right, so now we're upstairs, and immediately to the right is this massive room.
We're not sure what it is.
I think it could be
like a media room?
Media room, but you'd have to cover all the windows, obviously. Game room, kids play area kind of a thing. I think you could make it just whatever you want. I mean, this could be, if you got somebody who has an in-home business or something, you could do it. I mean, the possibilities are endless, my friend.
You could even make it a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, but you could put like a dresser.
Those wardrobes,
it's really, really big.
Yeah.
House. I mean, house. It's a really big room.
It's a big house too.
It's a big house too.
They've done
Look
a
at this.
great job with the square footage of this house.
I just love this space. It just feels
It
very
does.
modern and open and like you said, cozy at the same time.
Yeah.
It's really, really strange.
It's not every day we get the feeling like this in a house, I'll tell you guys that. I mean, some of these houses are absolutely gorgeous, but you just don't get the feeling like, oh, I could live here, or oh, this feels homey.
And you guys, you have to stick to the end. We'll give you the pricing. It's way cheaper than you think.
Yes.
Look at this room.
Look at this room, I love it.
It's gotta be
love it.
25, 30 feet.
Yeah, it is great. And they've done another fantastic bathroom for you in here.
With another barn door glass shower enclosure, which is cool.
Yeah, that's a huge shower for a guest bathroom or a
Kids bath?
secondary bath, yeah. And they put these neat toilets in there. There's kind of updated look of a toilet, and they've given us these mirrors in every bathroom.
Which mirrors are
so
in every bathroom. Even the powder bath has it.
Yes, I love it.
You gotta be doing some serious fogging up the
I have a feeling there was a female involved in this.
In the custom build.
Yes. And all these closets are very nice size, and they have the metal bars instead of the wood bars in there, which I love. I mean, just some of the touches that they put in here are top notch.
Yeah, you would expect that sort of thing on houses that are, 3 million plus. And that's a hint, this is not 3 million.
This is not 3 million.
Guess again.
Less, it's less. And then we've got this room, pretty much the same as the other. Not as many windows, obviously, a little bit smaller. Here is this bath. You've got the bathtub, the shower. They've taken the tile all the way up to the top, which is so nice again. I love it. Great bathroom. All right, we're gonna go check out the last room.
One thing I also want to point out is it's a metal roof, which is really cool too.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's got the same thing. Big giant room, closet, and then you also have a ensuite with, much like the first one, it
love
is
this
a
house, Andy.
fantastic house. Now,
But I like McKinney too. McKinney's a cool place.
it absolutely is. You're 10 minutes to historic downtown McKinney. You're hot skip and a jump to Allen, outlet malls, all that stuff. Obviously, you're right off the 121, so you're right near that Plano, Frisco headquarters.
Still in Frisco ISD.
Frisco ISD. This checks off a lot of boxes for a lot of our clients.
does.
This thing's 4,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Absolutely incredible. And guess what?
How much is it?
1.3 million. That to me is insane. If you guys know Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas, to get this custom home for under 2 million is absolutely insane, and it's ready right now.
And we've done some houses for more than that have not had these
Nowhere
touches
near.
at all. And so this
Nowhere
is
near.
quite a deal.
Quite a deal. Anyway, for all your Texas real estate needs, you know who to contact. Contact Andy Patrice. If you've made it this far, smash that like button, that thumbs up. Comment below, let us know, one, what are those 2 sinks? What would you use them for? What do you think of this house? And for all your real estate needs, you know who to contact. You contact Andy Patrice. Until the
That's
next
right.
time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.